Magandang araw, klase. Ngayong araw, ang tatalakayin natin ay tungkol kay Albert Bandura. Magbasa, makinig, matuto at magsaya. Ako si Binibining Menya. Handa na ba kayo? Tara na, umpisa na nating isa-isahin at pirapirasuhin ang mga detalyeng nakapaloob dito. Katulad ng binanggit ko kanina, ang ating talakayan ay iikot lamang kay Mr. Albert Bandura. Albert Bandura was born in 1925 in Alberta, Canada. He became interested in psychology while studying biological sciences at the University of British Columbia. Graduating with a degree in psychology, Bandura continued his studies and in 1952 was awarded a PhD in clinical psychology from the University of Iowa. Sa experience ko, una kong na-encounter yung pangalan na Albert Bandura noong grade 12 ako. Ang natatandaan ko noon, ang topic namin ay about sa experiment niya na gumamit siya ng bobodal. He was elected president of the American Psychological Association in 1974 and awarded the Outstanding Lifetime Contribution to Psychology in 2004. In the 1960s, Bandura became known for his social learning theory or the so-called SLT. Ito yung experiment niya na ginamitan niya ng bobodal. His approach recognized reinforcement and the importance of observing, modeling, and imitating the emotional reactions, attitudes, and behaviors of others in learning. Yung bobodal experiment ni Albert Bandura involved dito ang mga preschool children, adult model, tsaka yung stand-up punch doll or yung bobodal nga. In 1986, the SLT developed into the social cognitive theory, incorporating the idea that learning takes place in a social context with a dynamic and reciprocal interaction of the person, environment, and behavior. Involved din ang cognitive context that considers past experiences that shape engagement in behavior. Because of his continuing research, Bandura became known among academics as the father of cognitive theory. Ang link na ito ang aking source sa mga written information na makikita nyo sa bawat slides. Kung interesado kayo na magbasa pa, maaari nyong bisitahin ang website na ito. Who is Albert Bandura? Dito na nagtatapos ang ating talakayan. Sana ay marami kayong natutuhan. Paalam!